Unang-una, no, Brian at Ann, no, unang-una, ang inyong pagsasamahan ay dapat nakaugat sa pagmamahalan.
It was in the air before a word was spoken. When the time stood still and I felt the weight of the moment.
Sapagkat kung ito'y nakaugat sa pagmamahalan, ito ay pang magpakailanman. Ito ay pang habang buhay, habang kayo ay buhay.
Oh, my darling, smitten at the sight of you, I'm falling. Every little thing you do, I'm all in. Forever yours, it's true.
Thank you. Be, I will love you until the end of time. Thank you for giving me the best years of my life. There's only one thing that lasts longer than time, and that is my love for you. See you later at 3 o'clock, your future life. Wife, I love you.
Take these promises, hold them close for a lifetime.
Meron dalawa, oh. Dalawa yun, tama mo.
Oh, I know, this is where my heart is home. Oh, my darling, smitten at the sight of you, I'm falling. Every little thing you do, I'm all in. Forever yours, it's true. Oh, we feel it all at once. Suddenly it just adds up.
Hello, Be. So, this is it, our big day. Excited ako makita ka. Medyo nasusulyap-sulyap ang kita kanina, pero iniiwasan ko talaga makita ka. Ayun, thank you for, alam mo naman, nasabi ko naman sa'yo na you made me a better person. And I promise you that I'll keep on improving, growing into a better person for you and for our family. Ayun. Short lang to, so I love you, see you later. I love you ulit. Okay, see you.
I could ever dream.
Then, ito yung pinakamasayang araw sa buhay ko. Ayoko na. Thank you. Thank you for giving me the dream that I want. Yeah, I'll see you later at the church. I love you.
Oh, my darling, smitten at the sight of you, I'm falling. Every little thing you do, I'm all in. Forever yours, it's true.
And they say, fall for someone who completes you. Instead, I found someone who accepted me completely.
Brian, as I look back 3 years ago, our relationship was never easy, but you never gave up. It was already a long ride, and now we're finally getting married.
We feel it all at once. Suddenly it just adds up.